Hello my friends, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss one of the question from organic chemistry. So let us start with the question. They are asking, the diagram shows part of the structure of an addition polymer. Draw a circle around one repeat unit of the polymer. So if you look at this polymer, we can say here this part is repeating again, right? CH2, CH and Cl, this part again, if you look at the next part here, this is again repeating. Then again if you will continue, again this part is repeating. So this is our repeating unit. Now in the next one they are asking, draw the structure of the monomer. So this is a type of addition polymer, so that's why between carbon and carbon double bond will come. So I can write down here in this way, C double bond C, then H, here also H will come, then Cl and H. This is the structure of the monomer from which this addition polymer is made. Now they are asking in the third question, aqueous bromine is added to both the polymer and the monomer. Describe what would be seen in each case. So with the polymer, because polymer you can see there is no double bond, so that's why there is be no addition reaction is going to take place. There will be no reaction when we add aqueous bromine to polymer. So that's why here we can write down no change. But when we are adding aqueous bromine with monomer, this one, that time because there are the double bond, so this Br will going to add across the double bond, that's why there will be color change. So we can write down here with monomer it will be decolorized. The color of bromine water, it will change. So that's why I have written here with the monomer it will decolorize. Now moving to the next question, the diagram shows part of the structure of condensation polymer. They are asking here what type of condensation polymer is this. So you can check out here, this is a amide linkage, so that's why type of condensation polymer is polyamide. CONH is the amide linkage, so polyamide, because this is a polymer, that's why polyamide. Again in the same this question they are asking, draw a circle around one repeat unit of the polymer. So this condensation polymer is made up of dicarboxylic acid and diamine, so that's why you must include 2 CO group, carbonyl group CO. So it will, the repeating unit we can say that it will start from here CO. I am going to take this colored box, then again CO, then an NH, then this empty one box, and then again one NH. So this is my repeating unit. So in this case 2 CO group, 2 NH and one colored and one is empty box you can take as a repeat unit. Now in the next question they are asking, draw the structure of the two monomer from which the condensation polymer is made. So I am going to make the two monomer here. This is my colored one, this one, so I am making it in this way, and there is a dicarboxylic acid, so C double bond O, OH. Here also same group will come, C double bond O, OH, and the another one is diamine. So diamine I will take one box in this way, and then NH2. Amine is NH, and you can see here like this way, NH and 2. So thank you so much. Hope you like and understood all these questions and answers. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.